so we've come over to Elstead as it's relatively flat. Look at your ears wiggling. I mean, it is stunningly gorgeous up here, but in this weather, here they come. There they go. There is a lot of running around going on this morning. They don't care about the weather. Even Mimi's enjoying a bit of a gallop around. The weather has been pretty atrocious. It's I mean, it's not raining, but it's not raining. Look at you coming back and standing next to Daddy for a bit. All well behaved. You look like a drowned rat. But they're still having fun. I think it helps being low down. I don't know what they've come back for. A little rumble maybe. And they're off again. Yes, the weather hasn't slowed the girls down, that's for sure. At least the wind's died down a bit, but the cold weather has not affected their ability to play. Although it's not really cold, it's 10 degrees. The wet weather, should I say, the wet and windy weather. It is quite the Baltic with the wind chill factor. Oh, yeah, you fell over there, didn't you? But yes, this is us at the end of the walk, by the way, not the start. This is us at the end. So, yeah, burning off all that energy. Look at them go. They are absolute machines. Oh, Mara Jr. is, high as a kite. Oh, shit, just stood on Mimi. Well, the wind's picked up again, but we're nearly back. Mia! Let's do a final treat stop for everybody. Here we go. One for you, one for you, and one for Mimi. That's it, bubbers. That's us done for the day. Car park awaits, and dryness.